This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 73 of Building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're finishing off this bit and putting it into the car itself. So first of all, we've got to build our NOS tank, nitrous oxide. That pops into there like that. And is in fact screwed in place with a PS14. That's an 05, there's a 14. There's two in there, so one of those will be used and one will be kept safe for storage or potential use later. Quite a small one. I'm going to use my small screwdriver for that. That needs to go all the way into there. Bit tricky, especially tricky as the magnet's gone on this, so hopefully that will hold long enough for me to get it in there now. Feels like that might be in the right place. Yeah, that's tightening down. Good. Happy with that. Worked. So that goes on there, and then the back end clips in place. Nice to use these straps as a join line, so it looks lovely. So that is that on there, and we've got the hose which attaches the underside there, like so. I have a shaping. It does. It is that way. Goes in there like so, and then this goes on there. Oh, and that goes into that little hole. That's convenient. So that on there like so, and there will be 4 of the 12 screws, the little 12 screws to put into there. So what did I have left in here? I had 2 of them, I think. Yeah, I've got 2 12s already. Get them out of that opened packet. Get them in there already. Do that again. Put that on there. Those 2 in. I can open the packet and get 2 more out to put into the other 2 holes. Right, then I need to bring in the rest of the car. So I shall get these screwed in behind the scenes, bring in the rest of the car, and we'll see how all these panels go together. Okay, so there we go. That's that all attached, secure on there. That then needs to fit onto the back of the car that I've been building up over these past few weeks. It's got to go in that way round, and there are 4 screws that will hold that in place. Oh, that's just locked in place quite nicely like that. So I've got the 4 screws ready. Get one good to go. And then turn this over and get to the 4 screw holes. There's 2 at the back there and 2 in the middle. 1 there. One there. Wait a minute. The other one over the other side in the same place there. And then the 2 on the body of the car and the middle bit, just under here, there. And the final one. Goes in place just down there. Let's get that in place on the screwdriver. Line that up down there. Get that in. Now they're all in, we can get them all tightened up. And then we're ready for the last little bit of this issue. Next issue, being a shorter build run, I will be having a look through the magazine that comes with this delivery. Well, volume 19, I believe. So, yeah, that should be quite good. So that's that in there. Let's turn this back over. And see, these go in, they just pop in on this side. Like that. This, with them not popping in. Oh, they're quite a tight fit. Right, that might take a bit more than I can just do at the moment on this angle. That one goes in. And comes back out again, so yeah. Right, there we go, that's that one. This one does the same on the other side. That way around. There we go, one in there, and the top one should just pop in as well. There we go. And that will sit under the back here. That fuel tube out of the way. That's going to go up somewhere. Right, that's going to be on the inside. There we go. So that just sits in under there. These bits look like that connects up, does it? Yeah, the little clippy bits clip in side there, over there. So that goes on there. That one will do the same over this side, like that. And that will go home like so. So that gives us our trunk with the NOS and the fuel pipe coming off to the corner there. Nice. So far, so good. Join me next time where we're going to be doing something completely separate. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.